Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great in this weather and taking care of your health and skin. So today here I am with two very important questions which come in our mind when we think about the skincare. The first one is whether toner is important for our skin or not, or who should use the toner primarily. Second one will be I will be telling you few things where you can choose your skincare products, the active ingredients you can choose. So let's begin with the toner part. So toner, yes, it is very important. After face wash you should use toner so that any particle, any residue which is left on your face due to your makeup, due to your face wash, dust, whatever, it will be taken out from your skin and your skin will become little hydrated with this toner. So if you are having dry skin, you should definitely never skip toner. Now coming to the second question, we always get confused when we begin our skincare routine that which active ingredients we should use. So I will here talk about only two active ingredients. One is hyaluronic acid and the other one is the niacinamide. In my previous video you can also go and check about niacinamide. I have told you about the benefits and who can actually use, which kind of skin tone can use it. So hyaluronic acid will give you hydration. If your skin is little dehydrated kinds, you need suppleness, you need flexibility, then this is the one. And niacinamide, yes, if you have blemishes, you want a even skin tone, then niacinamide. So this is the toner which I am here presenting is the Plum Toner. This is an unsponsored video. It is from my own experience. Yes, Plum toners are very good. Plum products are good. Yeah, so this one, hyaluronic acid comes with the Bulgarian rose water and this is good for hydration. And the niacinamide toners, they are good. As I told you in the other videos, you can please go and check also that they are good for getting an even skin tone. It will remove the blemishes, your open or large pore problems. They can fade it away in a long run. So basically this is a very affordable range from Plum, and if you are under 25 years of age, please don't use any product, and whenever you are using any or trying for the first time, do take a patch test. So guys, I hope my video is helpful for you to choose your right skincare product, and I will definitely come up with a few more good skincare product reviews, and also talking about the different types of skincare product ingredients which you can incorporate in your daily life, in your skincare routine. So thanks for watching guys, and if you find this video a bit relevant, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.